Okay, this is the full res 1080i footage with the GPU on, output via Blackmagic HDMI to external monitor. Everything is perfectly de-interlaced. It's an interlaced footage. When I'm switching to the proxy, which is half size, there's a very bad interlacing artifact. All the lines are doubled, looks horrible. This is when the GPU is enabled. If I go to the file, project, setting, general, and using the software only, this fixes the issue. There's a proper deinterlacing, but I'm not getting any hardware acceleration by the GPU. This is basically it.